So, wildlife. Hello, 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 hello. So, parrot. This is a parrot. Hello, parrot. Ayun. Siguro mag-sweetheart yung parrot na yan. Ayun, nakikita mo. Ayun, oh, ayun. That one. There.
They're kissing. Ayun, pakita mo.
Hello, hi. The other one there. Oh, there. Wow. This is a parrot. My God, it's just...
They're eating that white part.
Okay, look at the parrot. Hey, it's a parrot.
That's their name.
That's the name. So, common name, San Kunur. Scientific name, Aratliga. Oh, so sweet. Chalice. Oh. How about the hair? Dead already?
They can chase. They can.
Oh. So that's parrot.
No, that's not parrot.
That's eagle. So this is common name gray-headed fish. Eagle. Hi, eagle. Alone, lonely. No partner. That's owl, like owl. This is an owl there. That's owl. Hi, owl.
Hi. Oh. Hi.
Hi. That's owl. Okay, owl. Hi, owl. Owl. Tutin. Eagle, owl. Yeah. That's another owl. There. There. That's another big owl. There's the big owl. There's another owl. There's an owl there. Owl there. Owl. So, another owl. This is Philippine serpent eagle. Hello, you're so lonely, my God. Hi, how are you? You're lonely. So, so many. Look. Down. Look.
Ito na may snake dito sa taas.
Where's the snake?
Nasa taas.
Oh, so the snake is in there. Hey, this one is there, sleeping.
And there.
This is a big snake. That's a snake. Snake. Very big snake. Oh, snake.
Crocodile.
Where's the crocodile? Ah, this is a crocodile. Hello. What's the name of this crocodile?
There.
Why you think this is the name of this crocodile?
Philippine crocodile.
Floating crocodile. The crocodile is lonely and sad. Maybe hungry. That's common name Luzon, Tariktik, Hornbill, scientific name Phenolophides manilae. Oh, okay, so yeah. Hey, hi, and what's the name of this video?
Forget it. Ah.
What's the picture? Oh, that's snake, oh. Very big snake.
Mahaba, madam.
It's too long. Hi. It's a big snake, oh. This is a long snake. Shh. Shh. Common name. So, what's this? It's snake too. It's a yellow snake. My, it's a yellow snake. Yeah, it's a yellow snake. And the other snake. Look, there's a snake there. Snake and snake. You have a snake there.
Magkayakap sila.
That's a big snake.
Burmese pine.
Oh, yellow snake and black snake. So maybe they're partner. Okay. So they're hugging each other. The black one and the yellow one. Yeah. That's the partner. So that's a name. Okay, so this is a wildlife at Quezon City, Philippines. So that's the big snake. That's a big snake. Big. And there's an old tree here. Look at the old tree.
There's a monkey there.
There's a monkey.
There.
Ah, so there's a monkey. Hi, monkey. That's a monkey there. Monkey. Look at that's a monkey. Okay, it's a monkey. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So share and like my YouTube channel. So I am here at Wildlife Quezon City, Philippines. Okay, so